Key leadership actions. Conflict is inevitable, which refers to disagreement between a company of people or parties. How to resolve and reduce this issue is a leader's skill by labeling how to handle the problem. Unfortunately, conflicts generate stress and complication, harming the work area or any relationship. Any dispute or conflict in the work area forces a change that causes innovation and encouraging a positive mindset. Being active and learning new skills can lessen disagreements or difficulties and make it less worrying. Conflict management attempts to resolve and succeed the disputes. Using the right policies and tools, acknowledging the problem, focusing on conflict, transparency, and communication skills, active listening, respect, collaboration, and empathy would help to resolve the dispute. These are 10 keys leadership action to lessen the impact of a crisis I submitted in the simulation. Number 1, focus on the problem. Leaders should prepare employees how to face the issue with bravery and willpower. It helps them to understand and study the crisis, reason, causes, and how to handle the situation in the best possible technique, according to AlixPartners 2016. Number 2, keep the team together to resolve the conflict. Building an effective crisis management team is essential. All team members have some ideas or mindset that must discuss the issue with other senior managers and operational staff. A suitable plan for a crisis covers many essentials that would be effective in a problem. The team's responsibility and roles, recovery actions, and proposal for unpredictable disaster will be designed by crisis management, which must be adaptable, functional, and realistic, according to Marker 2020. Number 3, empathy. Several consequences are likely for leaders who fail to communicate with understanding and empathy. The way the empathy communicates during the crisis has a significant effect on the public. What, when, and how administrators communicate during a crisis are critical and can have intense effect on the change process and resultant consequences. Empathy is the same as you are telling the public, I care about you, to be happy and safe. Moreover, communicating caringly is simply the right way to handle the people in crisis. Number 4, respect. Each area of the population needs exclusive care and respect during the crisis. For example, internal people like employees worry about losing their jobs, benefits, pay, or hours. External folks like vendors, stakeholders, or shareholders are concerned about their rights and money. Customers are anxious about the disruption of supplies. Leaders in this situation must stay calm, honest, courageous, kind, and respectful to the audience to create the right environment for change and evolution. Number 5, honesty. In a crisis, when companies share information through honesty, timely transparency helps them establish trust between vendors, stakeholders, and employees. Sharing correct information is essential to deliver fast in times of anxiety and uncertainty. Berndes 2020. Number 6, transparency in communication. The leaders should not minimize the problem or avoid the possible cost. On the other hand, they should challenge the issue directly and truthfully. Downplaying or softening the issue or sources can be counterproductive. Poor communication and careless or incomplete communication lead the company culture to erode, which takes years to repair. Doubt in communication causes weakness in leaders' status, reputation, integrity, which makes it harder to motivate the company after crisis resolution. Number 7, collaboration and separate personal conflicts. A successful supportive collaboration is related to mutual trust and fellowship, the sense of doing the job together. Kelvin 2022. It is essential to separate the personal conflicts in crisis. They are clarifying the issue in crisis and having a good understanding of the situation to help the situation better. People in a crisis are looking for a trusted leader whose response must be immediate and effective and who can create the solution that wins. Therefore, collaboration and working together help to diminish anxiety and fear, which brings comfort back to people. In addition, generating cooperating responsibility and duties reduce the worriedness among the public. Collaborating in a crisis. Guide, no date. Number 8, decision making based on RIGO 2023. Decision making in a crisis needs to be done quickly and positively. This decision is fundamental and must result from accurate and trusted data. This is how leaders can make the best possible decision during a crisis by relying on trusted sources. Number 9, be calm and patient. During the crisis, the leader should take quick action and adopt their decision based on situation. At the same time, they need to stay calm and be patient. By being relaxed and not panicking, leaders avoid spreading rumors. On the other hand, they must be in touch with internal and external public, including the media. Being too harsh or rigid about the crisis make the situation worsen. Number 10, facilitating learning. Leaders must label the team's weaknesses and strengths throughout or even after the crisis. Improve the team through training and coaching to help the individual to get a lesson and know how to deal with future crises. The leadership actions incorporated in portfolio projects are patience, decision-making, collaboration, transparency in communication, honesty, respect, focus, and teamwork. Micromanagement adversely affects team members. It says to team members that management has no trust or faith in the team members or their decision-making process. This hurts employee morale and takes away the employee's motivation to think of creative ways to solve problems and improve how the business is operated. High morale leads to transparency and collaboration, both of which create value in workplace. When morale is low, job faithfulness and dedication by encouraging worker participation and problem solving. Micromanagement causes employees to lose confidence and motivation to make decisions that will positively impact the company. How micromanagement destroys individual initiative undercuts the value the above leadership behavior can bring to the employees and the company. According to Irani 2021. Results indicate that trust in supervisor competence is a significant requirement to professionals' perceptions of being micromanaged, and that felt responsibility fully meditates the relationship between micromanagement and organizational commitment. Irani 2021. To move from management practice of micromanagement to one which champions the 10 leadership qualities listed above requires an intensive top-down effort. The leader of the company and those key individuals to whom they delegate essential operational duties must make clear that the 10 leadership qualities must be demonstrated by all managers at all levels and that there is no place for micromanagement. Those managers who do not embrace this new approach must be advised to get with the program. They must be given a set period of time in which they must incorporate the 10 leadership qualities into how they manage their staff. If they fail to do so, it's likely they cannot or will not embrace the new approach. Whatever the reason for their failure, they should be separated from the company. Being alert, prepared, and ready for any sign of crisis is a unique task for typical leader. This model leadership anticipates the crisis and make strong leadership with his team member through effective communication, helpful mission, and quick decision making. Creating the crisis management team ensure the values, principles, and mission contribute to the goals. Also ensure the decisions are arranged with respect, transparency, honesty, and integrity to continue with crisis strategies. Thank you.